If you have graduated from school, you probably know what trigonometry is about. So you have seen values like these. We have sine 45 equals 1 by square root of 2 and sine 90 that is equal to 1. We have tan 45 degrees equal to 1 and so on. But the one thing that which I did and most of you who are watching did is that you just memorize these values without knowing how to find these values. So I have a solution for that. So what you're going to do is you are drawing a unit circle. A unit circle has a radius which is equal to 1 unit. It can be you can just give any length to it, but make sure it is taken as 1 unit. So the best practice is to use 1 centimeter as the scale for the circle. So if I want to find the angle sine of 45, what I have to do is just consider the first quadrant. Assume it to be like exactly measure 45 degrees and join it. Now what you have to do is draw a line which is 90 degree from this line to the point on the circle. So this is the angle. Let's give it theta. So sine theta equals opposite side by hypotenuse. So in this case, the opposite side will be the length of this. Let's call it h by a, and this the radius, which is the hypotenuse, to be a. That's how we calculate sine theta. You will get decimal values for this, which will point to this value. So this is done. What about sine 215 or cos 215? So when an angle is greater than 180 or greater than 90, you have to plan it accordingly to plot it on this. So let's talk quadrants. For sine 215, I have to use sine the angle 215 can be written as 180 degrees plus 45 degrees. So this is what I choose. Okay. Now I have to plot a line with joins here, and now consider this to be opposite by hypotenuse. The angles are kind of easy to calculate if it's in the first quadrant. If it's another one, we can modify the angle using the angle properties, which we'll see in another video. Try this out and do let me know in the comments. The basic thing that you have to understand from this is that every values like trigonometric values like sine, cosine and more, they are all just ratios. They are ratios of sides of a triangle. If you know those ratios, if you simply understand that these are ratios and how these ratios work, you'll be able to get values of any trigonometric function. Thank you.